Welcome back to our channel English Pop. If you feel lost, confused, or low in confidence, this video is for you. Today's message is simple but powerful. God has a plan for you, and you are stronger than you think. Sometimes life feels confusing. We start questioning ourselves. Why is this happening to me? Why am I going through this? But remember, even when you don't see it, God is always working behind the scenes. He has a purpose, a path, and a plan just for you. So stay with me, because today we are going through powerful lessons that can truly transform your mindset, your confidence, and your life. And if you are ready, let's begin. Lesson 1. Trust the process even when it hurts. Life is not a straight road. It has ups and downs, turns and stops, moments of clarity, and moments of complete confusion. Sometimes you are doing everything right, but nothing seems to be working. You feel tired, you feel alone, and you start doubting yourself. But here is the truth. God never promised an easy life. He promised a meaningful one. And sometimes, before opening the right door, He closes a few wrong ones. Not to punish you, but to protect you, to shape you, and to grow you. Think about a seed planted in the soil. It doesn't grow instantly. It goes into darkness, it breaks, it struggles. But inside that silence, something powerful is happening. And one day, it becomes a strong tree. You are that seed. Right now, you may feel like nothing is happening, but in reality, you are growing in ways you cannot see yet. So trust the process, even when it hurts. Because God is not destroying you, He is developing you. Lesson 2. Delays are not denials. Sometimes we pray, we wait, and nothing happens. And slowly, we start thinking, maybe God forgot me. Maybe nothing will change. But that is not true. A delay is not a denial. Imagine a child asking for something dangerous. The parent says no, not because they don't love the child, but because they understand the timing is not right. In the same way, God sometimes delays things in your life, not because He is ignoring you, but because He is preparing you for something better. Because success without preparation can break you. Blessings without strength can overwhelm you. So when things are delayed, don't lose hope. You are not being rejected, you are being prepared. Lesson 3. Closed doors are hidden protection. Sometimes we try so hard. We chase opportunities, we apply, we love, we dream, and suddenly a door closes. And it hurts. But what if that closed door was saving you? Imagine walking towards a road, not knowing there is danger ahead. But something stops you. That is what a closed door often is. Protection. We only see what is in front of us, but God sees the entire path. He sees what we cannot see. He knows what we cannot understand. So when a door closes, don't force it. Don't break yourself trying to reopen what was never meant for you. Because what is meant for you will never miss you. Lesson 4. Your storm has a purpose. Storms in life are unavoidable. Pain, failure, confusion, heartbreak. Everyone goes through them. But storms are not meant to destroy you. They are meant to strengthen you. Just like strong winds make tree roots deeper, life's challenges make your character stronger. In the moment, you don't understand it. You question it. You resist it. But later, you realize those difficult moments built your strength. God does not send storms to break you. He allows them to build you. So don't fear the storm. Learn from it. Grow through it. Become stronger because of it. Lesson 5. Your pain has a purpose. Pain is never wasted. Every heartbreak, every loss, every failure carries a lesson inside it. Think about a seed again. It has to break underground before it grows into something beautiful. In the same way, your pain is shaping you.
Maybe you feel lost right now. Maybe you feel broken. But inside that breaking, something new is forming. Strength, wisdom, patience, understanding. And one day, your pain will become the reason someone else gets hope from your story. Lesson 6. God's timing is perfect. We live in a world where everything is fast. Fast results, fast success, fast life. So we start thinking, if it is not happening quickly, maybe it is not for me. But God does not work in rush. He works in perfection. Just like a seed takes time to grow, your life is also unfolding at the right pace. If everything happened instantly, you would miss the growth, the lessons, and the transformation. So stop comparing your timeline with others. Everyone is on a different journey. Your time will come, and when it comes, it will be perfect. Lesson 7. Trust the process even when you don't understand it. This is the hardest part. When nothing makes sense, when prayers feel unanswered, when life feels unfair. But that is where faith begins. Faith is not believing when everything is clear. Faith is believing when nothing is clear. You are only seeing one piece of the puzzle. God is seeing the full picture. And one day, everything will connect. The delays, the pain, the closed doors, the struggles. All of it will make sense. So keep going, keep trusting, keep believing. Because even when you don't understand the path, God is still guiding it. Final message. Stop doubting your journey. Stop questioning your worth. Stop comparing your life. You are not late. You are not lost. You are not forgotten. You are being shaped into something stronger, wiser, and greater than you realize. Trust the process. Trust the timing. Trust yourself. Because one day you will look back and understand that everything was part of a perfect plan. Thank you for watching ENG Pop channel. If this message touched your heart, stay connected. Keep believing, keep growing, keep going. See you in the next video.